Osmo Pocket 3.
Creator
The best,
combo.
the best camera. What's up guys? So today, natin ito an place somewhere so that we can test out our Osmo Pocket 3 and we're gonna take some footage, sample-sample lang, lingaw-lingaw. Alright, see you, bye. So guys, nahalata karon sa property sa akong sister. Kung asa gatukod sila karon currently og house. We're gonna take our Osmo Pocket 3 here and take some sample footage if nice bigid siya. So let's go. Let's go. Yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, mo din nilang kit. Mo din nilang gate guys, oh. Nice kayo. Ilang gate. Wow. Wow. La 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 la. Ito. Uy. Nice. Yan. Kamera yan. Smile, say hi, say hi. Hi Jun. Hi sa video. Viral na. Busy si Bisoro. Busy si supervisor. Kolbutoy. Bye-bye. 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 Shoutout, shoutout. Laki shoutout. Koy. Shoutout Koy. Say hi. Hi David, hi David. Ay, naunsa mas David ya. Basig ba discover ka David?
Gulaman niya kanina uli.
Padira na din ninyo diakol? Pailan na? Dali gid mo layo ani maglisod ba? O din ni guys ang sample footage sa Osmo Pocket 3. Osmo Pocket 3. Tagtanti sila metal guys, so no, tagtanti metals. nagsasawa. Okay lang project guys, so project nilanganan. So nice. Ah. So moto guys, the quality of Osmo packetry in daylight. Yeah, in daylight. Now we're gonna test out the quality
In low light.
in low light. Yeah, in low light. Yeah, low light. Yeah, look at that low light.
What time is it?
It's 7 p.m.
7 p.m.
Yeah. We're gonna test out the video of the Osmo packetry in low light. Low, low light. The moon. The moon. So guys, look at that guys. So nice. The low light quality. Huh. Parang ang ganda ng ano. Char lang. Ang ganda ng camera talaga nito. Kaya bili-bili na guys. Buy one take one. Buy one take one lang guys. This is the low light quality, 7 p.m. Look at that. It's so nice ng video. Look at that. Try tag ano? Try taog. Time lapse. Time lapse dara ka ha. Ano lang, steady lang. Ano lang. Low light mode, 4K 30 frames. Yeah. Ew. So nice. Wala. Ang ano lang, video lang normal. The model. The sponsor, the model. The sponsor. What the low light, so nice. 4K 30. What? So nice quality. Bili na guys, buy one take one. Osmo Pocket 3. Ang noob na user mahimog pro. Tanawon, no? Murag pro. Yeah. Eh. So mo to guys, Osmo Pocket 3. Osmo DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Low light quality. Yeah, the best camera. So nice.
Bye-bye.
Peace. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.